Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In the annual sport and culture organized award distribution and parents assembly. So award distribution celebrate our English class 8 and competition to pass exam language competition. Welcome everyone. Again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. At present, Honorable Super, State Super, State Guest, and a special guest names of the Shukr Platinum Watch, and at present, at this stage, many guests. Actually, I put for everyone name. That's why today, apart from this event, actually your children to distribute our program. Actually, your madrasa. Actually, we aspire to continue our celebrating our dedication to sample. That's we. Actually, right and wrong. That's your selected your idea. Please give me use of information to our madrasa. Welcome back to our presence. I hope you will attend our program. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.